Excellence isn't just a detail to us, it is the standard of our entire manufacturing process. As your specialized furniture partner, we invite you behind the scenes of our production facility, where we craft the high-volume bathroom and kitchen cabinetry that your discerning clients demand. See firsthand how we leverage advanced technology and precision engineering to transform raw materials into exceptional finished products. This is how we build your vision. Every superior product starts with a solid foundation. Our journey begins with high-density, sustainably sourced panels, ensuring the structural integrity required for international markets. In the cutting stage, precision is absolute. Guided by sophisticated digital integration, our fully automated cutting center optimizes every sheet. This maximizes yield and minimizes waste, transforming massive panels into perfectly dimensioned components with total consistency across any production volume. This isn't just cutting, it's engineering the blueprint for a flawless final assembly. Following this, technicians perform a rigorous multi-point inspection, verifying squareness down to a fraction of a millimeter to prevent misalignments downstream. From cutting, components move to the technological heart of our line. Here, world-leading CNC technology from Germany and Italy takes over. These machines are the digital craftsmen of the modern era, executing complex tasks with tireless reliability. Driven by software that reads directly from design files, they translate intricate plans into physical reality with unerring accuracy and perfect repeatability. Whether it's drilling hardware holes or machining decorative contours, every specification is met. This is where advanced technology empowers us to deliver sophisticated designs consistently, from the first piece to the 10,000th. A superior finish demands a perfect substrate. Before any coating or laminate is applied, every component undergoes a multi-stage automated sanding process. This precision line uses progressively finer grits to remove microscopic imperfections, creating a flawlessly smooth, non-porous surface. Our quality control goes beyond the visual. Technicians inspect by touch, ensuring the surface is glass smooth. This critical step guarantees optimal adhesion for coatings, creating the ideal canvas for a durable, market-ready finish. For modern designs featuring intricate shapes and clean lines, we utilize an advanced thermoforming process for unparalleled design freedom. It begins with a high-density fiberboard core, precisely sculpted by our CNC machines. A skilled operator aligns this stable substrate with a multi-layered resilient polymer membrane, or PVC vinyl, ensuring a perfect match. Inside the press, computer-controlled heat makes the membrane pliable, while a powerful vacuum creates a pressure differential. This forces the membrane to conform perfectly to every curve and edge, fusing permanently without adhesives. The result is a single, seamless, monolithic piece. This creates a surface that is not only beautiful, but exceptionally durable and moisture-resistant, a critical advantage for bathroom environments. To ensure that perfection reaches your doorstep, we employ a scientifically designed multi-layer packaging system. It begins with a soft, non-abrasive wrap to shield the delicate finish from surface scuffs. Next, heavy-duty, custom-molded protectors are applied to every corner to absorb impact, while rigid structural buffers line the sides to prevent crushing forces. Finally, the entire unit is encased in a high-strength, double-wall corrugated carton and securely strapped for ultimate stability. Validated through rigorous real-world drop testing, this system guarantees your inventory arrives in the same factory-fresh condition it left our facility. Our vertically integrated process is designed for one purpose: to be the partner you trust. We become a seamless extension of your brand, delivering quality on time, every time. Your vision built with precision.